Welcome to our Cloudways series. In this video, I will show you how you can add domain on your Cloudways application. So let's see our Cloudways account. We have one server and three applications. Click on the servers. There is one server and applications. There are three applications. We will add a domain on this application, my site. So we need to go to the domain management. Then we need to add a domain. The cons of Cloudways is they only give you hosting, but they don't have a domain. So you need to buy your domain from third-party websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other third-party providers. So I am using Namecheap. You can buy your domain from GoDaddy. I will keep the link on the description to buy domain on low price, on discount price. So I have a domain camerabytes.com. I will add this domain to this application. I'm just copying this and pasting it to this domain section and add this domain. That's all. Our domain has been added to this application, my site. Now we need to put some record on the DNS. So we need to copy this public IP, copy it and go to the Namecheap or go to your domain register and find the DNS or manage DNS option. So I am using Namecheap. Here is advanced DNS. I will put the DNS here. So I will add a new record. This will be a record and host will be at the rate, and the IP address I copied from Cloudways. The record has been added. A record is this IP address, which is the IP address of this application. Now we are going to check the propagation using this whatsmydns.net if the IP address assigned or not. So it will take few minutes to few hours to propagate the IPs on the ISP all over the world. So the IP is still the old IP address. So I am waiting few minutes to see if the propagation happened or not. And in the meantime, I am trying to see the website is showing or not. Yes, the website is showing. You can see camerabytes.com, which is WordPress 126 cloudwaysapps.com, and this is the same WordPress 126 cloudwaysapps.com. So if now anyone can see the website using the domain name that we have just connected to the application. And let's see if the propagation has you can see in some location the propagation has been happened. The new IP address has assigned 174. Okay, after a few minutes, when the propagation will completed, then the SSL certificate also start working. For now the SSL is not working. This is how you can add your domain to your Cloudways applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.